Traditional mushroom identification methods don't just fail to keep people safe, they actively create the false confidence that leads to poisonings and deaths. These folk tests and myths persist across cultures and generations, passed down as trusted wisdom despite having no scientific validity whatsoever. The danger isn't merely that they don't work, it's that people believe they work, and that belief overrides appropriate caution. Let's systematically dismantle the most deadly myths. If animals eat it, it's safe for humans. This assumes that human and animal physiology respond identically to all compounds, which is spectacularly wrong. Rabbits can safely consume death cap mushrooms that would kill a human. Slugs and insects feed on Amanita species with no ill effects. Animal tolerance tells you nothing about human safety. The silver spoon turns black with poison mushrooms test has zero scientific basis. There's no chemical reaction between silver and mushroom toxins that would cause discoloration. This myth likely originated from reactions between silver and sulfur compounds in some foods, but it has no application to mushroom toxicity. Poisonous mushrooms have bright colors is perhaps the most dangerous myth because death caps and destroying angels, the deadliest mushrooms on the planet, are drab tan, white, or pale colored. They look utterly unremarkable, which is precisely why they kill so many people. Bright red Amanita muscaria gets all the attention in storybooks, but it rarely kills anyone. The boring-looking ones are the real threat. Peeling the cap removes toxins, ignores basic biology. Amatoxins are distributed throughout the entire mushroom structure, in every cell. Removing the cap surface removes nothing meaningful, and then there's cooking destroys all mushroom toxins, which might be the most persistent and deadly myth of all. Yes, cooking denatures some proteins and can break down certain compounds. Amatoxins are not among them. These cyclic peptides remain stable at cooking temperatures. You can boil, fry, bake, or grill a death cap mushroom, and it will kill you just as effectively as a raw one. These myths persist for understandable psychological reasons. They provide simple, accessible tests that don't require expertise or equipment. They align with other food safety knowledge. Cooking does make many foods safer. And they get passed down through trusted community and family channels, which gives them undeserved credibility. Public health messaging needs to address these myths respectfully while being absolutely clear about the stakes. Mortality data from regions where folk methods predominate demonstrates the consequences. Eastern European countries with strong foraging traditions, but inadequate modern safety education, see regular poisoning outbreaks. Immigrant communities applying homeland knowledge to new geographic regions suffer disproportionate poisoning rates. The only reliable identification method requires expert mycological confirmation using microscopic spore examination, chemical testing, and comprehensive morphological analysis. Anything else is gambling with lives.